So basically, they need time. What the
They need
EU
time.
is fighting for is time.
That's right.
And I wonder what their timeline is. Is their timeline another year, a year and a half, in the sense that they're saying, you know what, let's wait out Trump.
Yeah.
We're not going to be able to beat the United States.
No.
We're a vassal to the United States.
Yes.
We are a vassal to the United States. We know it. So let's wait out Trump till the midterms.
Exactly.
And then maybe we'll get the Democrats in there, and then they can start investigations on Trump, and then we're in the clear.
Wow.
Or is it, let's wait out Trump until the next election?
I think that the key is the midterms. Because the other thing about Ukraine is that Ukraine is the issue of Ukraine, the topic of Ukraine, not only helps the EU to preserve its own unity, but it's also the issue, the one issue that the Democrats have, and which is bringing them all together. Because at the moment, the Democrats look to be in a very, very bad shape indeed. I mean, they're continuing apparently to sink in spite of all of Trump's problems. But clearly, you want the Democrats to come back strong in the midterms to at least recapture maybe the House, even if they can't manage the Senate, but at least something to put Trump on the defensive, to then bog Trump down in all kinds of investigations and all of those sort of things. To state it again, if your priority was not just to preserve Ukraine, but to preserve the existing setup in Ukraine, which is what they say, they would be backing the Kellogg plan.
Yeah.
I mean, the Kellogg plan is the best possible plan Ukraine can hope to get. When Trump says that if this goes on long enough, there won't be any Ukraine left. You know, what he said, you know, in his latest Truth Social post, that in 3 years, you won't have your country. He's absolutely right. But no one in Europe addresses that issue. No one in Europe actually addresses the realities on the ground.
Yeah. All right.